Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor sent me a product for my RV right behind us here, and it's a great product. I actually have them already installed, a set of these installed on my RV, and they're great. They're gutter extenders. So, you know, if you have those gutters along your RV, and they're just dripping straight down your RV, and leaving nasty water spots on your RV and things like that, these are simple gutter extenders that, you know, you just attach on there with caulk, and they'll guide that water away from your RV, you know, 2 or 3 inches. And it's just enough to get that water to spray away from your RV. It's great to have them around. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you exactly about how they go up there. I'm not going to actually install them because I have them on my RV. So I'm going to hold them up in place where these would go, where mine are, and I'll show you where these are. But these are great to have if you don't have them. They're great to buy, very easy to put on. I put my set on myself. So let's go put them on, shall we? So like I said before, so I do have a gutter extender already installed. So I'm just going to hold this new one up. All you do is you get some caulk and adhesive, and you just attach them to your actual gutters that are already in place. And this is a very simple procedure. And you can see where that would just pop up right exactly where this one is, right here. Very easy install. You just attach it with adhesive, and that directs the water away from your RV, so it's not dripping right down and leaving a nasty stain. So go out and get your RV gutter extenders today.